Okay, I think I'm recording. Set this down here. See if you can see my T-Rex come into view. Hopefully we're here. We're in about I don't know, maybe a 10 to 12 knot gust. Maybe the T-Rex is too far forward. Let me bring it back. Maybe I should fly on this side of it. Towards you. That's the wind alley right that I'm trying to fly at. A little calmer back here. Still getting quite a bit of lift and gust. When I let off, I have to really goose it as I get down to the bottom so I don't just drop like a rock. Then I bounce on those ping pong balls. You can kind of see my Rex and me. Sounding pretty smooth. I don't know if that's too close to see or land. Obviously, in this kind of wind, I really would prefer to be up about 30, 40 feet. Then, once she hits gust, she just goes up. The only problem is bringing her back down. So it seems like it's about 1 foot off the ground right now. Doesn't get too much kick. I guess you've seen enough of T-Rex flying. Take her down there. Hopefully you saw any of that. I'm going to review it.